Hey, good morning everybody. Jason here, California Flooring Service. Beautiful Saturday morning here in SoCal. I'm on my way to inspect this shower that's leaking. It was done with hot mop and float method, paper, wire, scratch, float, which, you know, that's the old school way of doing things. That's how I was taught. That's how we did it forever. But I tell you what, just like flip phones were old technology, and now we have smartphones, iPhones, things like that. Same with shower systems. You know, there's many new shower systems out there that are much better at waterproofing, continuous vapor and waterproofing. In particular, what we do and my team is certified in is the Schluter system. Hands down, this is called a direct bond method. We can offer actually a lifetime labor and waterproof warranty on that, which means if that thing leaks, we'll replace everything free. Well, Schluter will. But we've been doing it for 7 years and we've never had a problem, thank God. But we do it correct, so that's the difference. But anyways, so your direct bond method, basically the tile is bonded directly to that. 90-95% of the water just goes right over the tile, right into the collector. The last 5% is going to evaporate out through the grout. It does go through the grout. Whereas the hot mop method or the float method, that's a water in, water out. So maybe 50-60% of the water will go into the collector. The rest of it sinks down through the grout, stone, or tile. It goes through the mortar and through the concrete float, and then goes into the secondary drain holes, which is also called weep holes. Okay, so without getting too much into it, I can tell you right now there's a superior method, and that's going to be the direct bond method. Okay, there's a couple other systems out there. Weedy's another one that we really like. So do your research. Don't just let some old dinosaur archaic contractor tell you, oh, hot mop and floating is the superior way to go, because that's not true. Okay, it really isn't. You would be surprised how many projects we go and repair because there's been problems with compromising of the hot mop, old brittle dry hot mop, weep holes clogged, you know, water not sloped properly with a pre-slope because under the hot mop has to be a pre-slope. It goes on and on. So there's all kinds of things where it can fail. Also, you don't want a secondary company doing the waterproofing and then having a tile company do the tile, or a general contractor. And I'll tell you what, these general contractors aren't using licensed tile contractors. They're just using their guys. That, you know, just because you can do tile doesn't mean you know how to tile a shower, because tiling shower, you know, you have to know how to channel water correctly, waterproof things. But anyways, back to doing the Schluter method, the direct bond method. The tile guys are doing the waterproofing, all right? You see here? So we are installing with the thought process of waterproofing, sloping the water properly, and channeling the water correctly into the collector. So ask the right questions, and don't let some general contractor tell you that, you know, the float method is the best way and the only way, because that's not true. And if they do tell you that, you tell them to call me, Jason at California Flooring Service, 949-716-6611. That's the office line, all right? After you become VIP, you get the cell phone. Anyways, any questions, hit me up. Trust me on this. Direct bond method is way better than the water in, water out method. All right?